Guys, so in this video I am gonna tell you how to use the cross product of two vectors calculator on my website. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to type Doubtlet on Google. So you will reach out to my website here directly, that is doubtlet.com. So you can see the calculator button here. If you will click on this, then you will be redirected to the landing page of calculators. So here is the search box. What you have to do, you have to simply type cross. Once you will type, a pop-up will appear, that is cross product of two vectors. If you will click on this, then you will be redirected to the main calculator page. So here what you can see, this is the heading, and here is the input. We know that vector is in 3 dimension, so you have to just fill all the 3 boxes of vector u and vector v. Once you will fill, like suppose if I have like 2, 1, 3, 6, minus 1, 1, 2. So these are the 2 vectors, and I need to find the cross product of these 2 vectors. So here the input can be visualized in the user input display, so that you can recheck whether you have made the right input or not. Once the question has been formed, what you have to do, you have to click on the calculate button. On clicking, you will get a short answer within a blink of the eye. So what is the answer? Minus 4i minus 10j plus 3k. If you want to see steps, so you have to click on the show steps button, and here is the step-by-step solution, and there is no any delay in accessing this website. So here is the basic information is given about the cross product of two vectors like formula. Here is the input given by me, and here is the step 1 and step 2. Here each and every step has been shown, and here is the final answer, that is cross product of the vectors u and v is this. So I have given much more facility in this, like you can also enter in the form of fraction, in the form of decimal, negative numbers, or the combination of these two, like integer, decimal or fraction, and you will get your answer accordingly. Like if I have entered the fraction here, so we are getting the answer in the fraction form, and you can convert this in the decimal form also. So if you would like my calculator, then please share it with your friends, and if you have any suggestion, then please do write me on this suggestion box. So thank you very much.